Hey, this is Danny with Enphase Energy Training. If you're in the SMUD utility area and it's time to leave the meter collar behind for the utility technician, there's a few items you should know. First thing is make sure your site is safe, secure, and clean. And then what you're going to do is place the IQ meter collar in the provided bag. Make sure that it's fully sealed and secure. You don't want any moisture or other items from the environment to get in there. Next thing is to ensure that you have nothing connected to the bag, no cables, no other materials or items. And in fact, don't use this input or output item. So simply take the provided zip ties in your bag and secure it to something at the site. And once again, we're just going to make sure that the bag is safe and sealed. And again, there's no cables or other items connected. If you do have cabling or other items attached to the meter collar, the utility technicians are actually trained to leave the site and not install it. So you'd have to reschedule that IQ meter collar installation. Thank you.